do I owe you? What do I owe you? Every time I take a shower, you sit there and stare at me. What? Look at this. Zeus. What's up, Tour fam? You guys, it is raining again. This is supposed to be like what is it? Monsoon season. And Philip just got like a message the other day about there being like a typhoon coming. So it's raining a lot. The roads are not really like flooded right now, but I feel like they will be eventually because we've kind of like been through this before. But yeah, the rain makes me depressed, y'all. Because you can't go anywhere or do anything, which I don't really go anywhere or do anything anyway because I'm introverted. But it's just the idea that like now I really can't. Anyway, but yeah, so we're just going to be staying in the house today, trying to occupy our time and not get too bored. Zeus is down here whining. But yeah. Oh, also, you guys, it is really, really hard to find clothes here for the kids. So I think I'm going to have to start ordering stuff online. But I finally was able to find them a few things at like the PX. Look, I'm about to show you. I just picked this up. A little shirt for Gabrielle. I forgot how many shirts I got her, but this little shirt, I thought it was cute. Hold on, y'all, I'm trying to get it together on the hanger. But yeah, this little shirt, I thought it was cute with the little lace at the bottom. What else did I get her? This one. These were I think this one was clearance. This one was clearance. But this one, I thought this one was cute. It has the same kind of shoulders. How much was this one? Oh, like $5. Got her that one. I got her this little romper because I thought it was cute. What in the world is going on here? Okay. This little romper I thought was super cute. So cute with like the little butterflies and stuff. Got her some little shorts. Legit, y'all, they only had like 2 pairs of shorts. They do not have a lot of clothes here. So you, seriously, you have to order stuff online and wait for it to get in the mail because there's basically nothing at the PX like that. That's one of the downsides about like living here in South Korea. And then the other places that you go, like if you go to H&M and stuff, it's like really expensive. It's like $30 for a pair of shorts. So anyway, how much was these shorts? $10. Yep. Got her another shirt. This seems to be like the style, I guess, with the little shoulders like that. I think this was also clearance because I see this red tag. Yep, $5.57. And then I got the boys some stuff. Let me just take it out of the bag. I got the boys some stuff. I think I got this one for Junior. Yeah, 10, 12. I got this shirt for Junior that I thought was cute. This one is for Junior. I thought was cute. I got him some little shorts. I'm not a fan of these shorts. Like I really wanted to get him some cargo shorts, but this is all I had. So I had to make do. I guess if I want to get him cargo shorts, I'll just have to buy them online. So yeah, those. I got these. I actually do like these. These black shorts are cute. And then I got the boys 2 matching shirts, which is this. I thought was cute. So yeah. Also, you guys, I forgot to mention that I got Gabrielle a pair of flip-flops. Or sandals, whatever you want to call them, that I thought were really cute. How cute is that? So cute. Hey, you are really loud. So cute. How cute are these? They were like, I think almost $20. I can't remember. They were like 18, 19. One or the other. Yep, 18. Thought they were really cute. You guys, we just filmed Gabby's Corner. Yay! You did really good, Bug.
Thank you.
You did really good for your first time. I'm so proud of my Bug. Good kiss. Mwah. Mwah. Did you show the Tool fam your lip tint?
Oh my gosh.
Cute. You are so cute. And it's shaped like ice cream.
And it's shaped like ice cream, you guys. Isn't that funny?
Yeah. Let me see. Hold it up again.
And what's the name of it?
Dear Darlington.
The name of it is Dear Darlington.
Good job. You what?
I combed my hair again.
Yeah, you did good, Bug. Awesome sauce. Did you comb yours? Or are you about to go comb it now?
Yeah, he didn't comb his hair. I combed mine first.
Okay. Why are you mopping like a crazy person? And where did those spots come from? Play-Doh.
From Gabby and Tyler.
This is so funny. I can't.
I'm done.
Why are you so dramatic? I can't. Stop, Zeus. I'm bad at like updating y'all and stuff like that, so I just wanted to put that out there because I know we said in a few vlogs like a while back that we were going to be getting like furniture and stuff like that. It just did not work out. Didn't work out at all. It was like the sectional that I wanted, they kept telling me they didn't have it. Then they finally said they did have it, but it would take a few months to get here. But then the coffee table and stuff that I wanted, they said they didn't have that. So I'm just like, just forget it. I was like, I'll just wait. So basically, that's why I'm using this stupid coffee table. That the kids, you can see color markings and stuff where they were drawing. Like, this was their table. There's stuff all over it, but it's gonna have to do for the remainder of the time that we're in South Korea. And that. I saw you tracing your hand. What you making, boogers?
I'm gonna make Vincent's hand.
And awesome. Zeus, that is not your drinking water.
And then
Stop trying to drink paint water, sir.
Right
Ah.
If you only see blue, that's.
Huh?
If you only see blue, I'm making an ocean.
Awesome. Do you need a new piece of paper? What is it, sir? Sir. Sir. Sir, can you please stop looking at me, sir? Sir. 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 When it is raining like the way it is right now, it makes me so nervous because these roads look like they're like flooded. And Philip is going to be coming home soon. It's just like mini heart attack, mini panic attack. I don't like this. I do not like this. And why are you barking at the thunder, sir? What has the thunder done to you? Zeus. What has the thunder done to you, sir?
I don't know.
How you feel about the weather, girl? How you feel about the weather, girl? Lele. Sweet, sweet. Sweet, sweet. Sweet, sweet. Sweet mama. Sweet mama. Sweet mama.